Finally, the mystery of boxes have arrived. I finally get to be nosy and see what my husband ordered from Louis Vuitton, because it's been secret. It's been secret for a month now, and I want to know what's in this box. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we friends. And if you want to be my friend, you might be nosy like I'm being nosy, and we're trying to figure out what's in these boxes. Can we put these boxes down though? Put it right here. Okay. Y'all probably wondering why I'm in my robe. Well, my Miu Miu. What you want? Ma'am, she nosy too. My baby nosy too. Hi, come here, Heidi. You want to say hi to the people? Come here. Don't be thinky. Don't be thinky. Say, oh, you fat. Say hi to mommy's friends. Say hi. Say, I wanted you was a daddy.
Her private parts.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
She said, Mommy, you're embarrassing me.
I apologize. I didn't mean to show your booty.
You got booty scratch.
I'm sure.
I know.
Okay, listen, I gotta go to bed. Y'all see, this is what. This is they working my nerve. Let me tell you what happened. Okay, listen, hear me out. So a month ago, y'all might have saw that video. Heidi, you fat. I'm out of breath. It's ridiculous. Okay, so about a month ago, was it a month ago? Maybe a month. I don't know. Y'all saw that video I put out where my CA sent a present, and I thought it was what he ordered. He won't tell me what's in these boxes, and I'm nosy. I need to know what's in the box. So his boxes came today. And I was like, how you know it's not breakable? Oh, you ordered. Okay, anyway.
The question of it is though.
What?
I don't know what's in this box. This box is too big for what I ordered.
See, this is why I don't let him shop without me. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, listen. So he refused to tell me what's in his box. I can't find it on his phone. And I'm nosy. You probably like, girl, why you look like you and your Miu Miu ready for bed? Because I was. Okay, I was and I am. But the boxes came, and he came home from work, and I can't wait. I want to know what's in the box. But I also want to unbox it so y'all can be in his business with me. So I won't be the only no. Alright, let's open the box. Which one you going to open first? Heidi, you got to go. Baby, you got your... What's your problem? You open this one first?
I'm opening this one.
You open the biggest one first?
The biggest one first, because this is the one I really don't know what's in it.
Okay. Hold on now. Now they usually have a zip tie. You gotta why you carrying around knives?
So my old lady be crazy. I'm about to cut her one day.
What? First of all, I am my birthday. Did I tell y'all my birthday?
So you're an old lady now.
I'm not, bitch. You better tell them long as I'm still cute. Oh, and y'all might see a couple of videos I filmed for Christmas that I ain't get to put out and edit. So I promise I still don't have my Christmas tree up. Hold on, let me help you before you break something. Wait, I'm saying let me help. Okay, never mind.
The struggle is real.
The struggle is a little real. But you can't use your. Why that's not a zip tie? What did you order?
This pulls back. What did on that side?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, they got it. Okay, there you go. I ain't never had one of these boxes before.
I don't need that, that's what I'm saying, but I don't feel like what I'm supposed to be getting in this box.
Lord, this is security. Okay, wait. Now you gotta let them see the box. Hold on. We gotta let the people see.
I had to peek myself.
Alright, let me peek too then. Okay, let me peek. Bitch, I know you lying.
What's the problem?
Just Mark, don't play with me.
What's the problem?
What is this? What is this? What is this?
That's what I said. I don't think this is my box.
You ripped the shipping label off?
Yep.
Okay, take the box out. Lord, we're going to jail. He done stuck. What is this? Did you? Don't play with me, Mark. Open it. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Let me mind my business. This ain't my business. Go ahead. I know, bitch. I know you lying.
This don't look like my box.
Why you got a Murakami sticker?
That's what I'm saying. This ain't my box.
Mark, I'm not playing with you. I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying. What is that? Let me see. What is that?
It's not my box.
I hate you so bad.
It's not my box.
Mark. Wait. It gets on my nerves so bad. What is it? Mark. This is for me?
It's not my box.
What do you mean?
It ain't gonna fit me.
Mark, this is for me. Oh, honey, thank you. Thank you. I can't put it on because my head is greasy right now. You know what? Oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't order this. I was trying to behave myself. Oh, thank you, my love. I love it. What size is it? What size is it?
The same size as the last one.
Okay, so you got it from Kaylee?
Of course.
Okay. Well, thank you for thinking of me. Okay, what you get?
I must have made a mistake.
I want to see what you got. Wait, I gotta put this. Mark, you. Heidi, baby.
Heidi said I gotta be here too.
Okay,
Go
this
ahead,
is.
pull the
I'm
front
sorry.
flat.
I'm not even
Put
showing
the
y'all.
front flat.
Mark,
Damn. Why I ain't get my boxes?
why you play so much? Listen, yo, I swear to God, I did not know. He told me he got something from the men's line.
This is a middle.
No, it's not. Murakami didn't come in the men's collection.
That's why it ain't my box.
Whatever. And this is heavy. What is this? Okay, go. Well, what are you doing?
What? I
Mark.
don't know what's in my box.
Okay, jig's up now, because it's the McCurry Rapid. It's a drawstring.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a pull draw. What is this?
Don't break my box now. I'm gonna give you a thing for it.
Oh, it's some shoes.
Damn. I hope they fit my feet.
Oh my God.
That ain't mine.
Okay, jig's up. Jigs. Oh, I love them. Thank you. Oh, honey, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
You're so. Oh my God, I wasn't ready for that. Okay. Okay, good people, that is it. I guess that is my unboxing of my new Murakami pieces. But I'm sorry, I wasn't expecting that. I really thought that he had got something from that men's collection because I've been teasing him how it was ugly for like a month now. So if you want to see how I style these pieces, of course follow me on Instagram. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!